Round two. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, wait, leave it there. Closer. Round two. Round two. Round two. Joe, start the ring off. Here we go. It's ready to go. Uh-oh. Oh, closer. No. Break it up. Break it up. Break it up. Break it up. Oh. Oh. Amanda, pull her shirt up. I don't know if that qualifies in this contest right now. Joey's refereeing. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, let's see. She started off with the head swift. Amanda's with the hip swaying. Chi-Chi's making the rounds. Let's see what happens now. Oh, Joey's refereeing. He hasn't seen anything yet. Oh, okay. We're kind of at a low blow right now. It's kind of dead right now. Kind of dead right now. As we see right now, we see that there's not that much action. Let's see if it picks up in the next 2 minutes. Oh, Chi-Chi with the head swing. Chi-Chi with the head